Ashley, Adam's partner here. For the past couple of months here in Dili and Timor Leste, I've been on the hunt for locally made Christmas presents to take back for family and friends overseas. I wanted to find a way to say thank you to some of the fantastic makers and artists that I've met. So I put together this short video to try to help spread the word and hopefully connect as many people as possible to fantastic locally made gifts or something for yourself. First up is Mount Isaac from Arte Tradicional Timor Leste, as he inspired me to make this video after I met him last weekend. I went to meet up with Isaac looking for just a cutting board and a couple of wooden spoons, but we unintentionally came away with half our Christmas lift as we fell in love with these big wooden serving bowls and ended up just buying heaps of things. Mount Isaac makes a lot of things to order, but if you're only here for a short time, don't worry, he works super fast. I met up with him at 10 a.m. on Saturday, at which point he had a couple of unfinished bowls and 6 roughly cut wooden spoons. He called me back at 3 p.m. the same day, said I could come back. He'd done with all of it, finished the bowls, all the spoons, plus he made us a cutting board, and we got these cool wooden flutes for kids, which I'm not sure I should attempt to play. Mount Isaac is selling out of his house/workshop area at the moment in Barak, so you can get in touch with him by messaging Arte Tradicional Timor Leste on Facebook. He was extremely responsive, got back to me very quickly, and we easily arranged a place to meet up together. Next on my list is the Pottery at ETDA, where I got these fantastic mugs. They've got a whole range of really unique pieces, both big and small. Didn't know there was a Pottery at ETDA? I admit, it's not always the best advertised, but it's actually pretty easy to find. First up, just type ETDA into Google Maps on your phone. Then once you get there, in the main cafe space, simply ask a staff to show you the way. They'll point you down to the end of this corridor where the potters are actually working, and then one of the potters will take you back out to the gallery. My favorite place to get jewelry is at Bia Joya out on Arturo Island. They make natural jewelry out of seeds and shells and things. We also got these fantastically delicate looking coconut bowls from there, which we've been using for the past month and have held up super well to our everyday stress test. Normally you'd want to head out to Arturo for 2 or 3 days to make the most of the island, but if you are short on time, you can catch the ferry out Saturday morning and back again Saturday afternoon for $4 each way. Or ring the Beloy Hotel to book onto the fast boat, which as of November 2019 was $45 each way. Also out on Arturo, you've got the Saturday Market and Presidiac, which is just opposite Barry's Place in Beloy. Or just opposite the jewelry shop back out in Villa, you've got the Boneca Sewing Workshop. Boneca's famous for its dolls, but it does all kinds of other things as well. Laptop cases, bags, this crocodile puppet that I'm a little bit in love with. And if you can't make it out to Arturo Island, Presidiac and Boneca also have shops based here in Dili. Just type them into Google Maps to easily find them. Of course, there's always a bag of Timor coffee. You can buy it in most supermarkets, but a great place to get it to not only support the coffee growers, but also support a Timorese owned Dili business is Fatima's Cafe, which is conveniently located right next door to the Boneca Bell shop in Lesaderi. You can buy Fatima's own brand coffee or a whole range of other Timorese coffees. Fatima's also has well-priced local art available for sale on our walls. Plus, you can get yourself one of the best cups of coffee in Dili. Shopping done right. A well-known option in Dili for high-quality Thais and a range of items like Thais bags is the Alola Foundation. You can visit them at their shop in central Dili, or Monday to Friday, you can see them out at their workshop near Taibesi Market. It's nice to be able to meet the women and actually watch them weaving the Thais. To find the Alola Center shop in central Dili, just type Alola Foundation into Google Maps. To find their workshop, type in Alola Esperanza Production Center. Also, if you're watching this in November 2019, take note that the famous Alola Christmas Fair is coming up on the 30th of November and 1st of December from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. On a similar note, the Agora Makers Fair is coming up Saturday, 30th of November in the Agora Cafe space. Last time there was a whole room full of jewelry, we brought fantastic local cutting board, lots of coffee. I'm a little bit sad actually we're not going to be here this weekend to get to make it out to the fair again. Heading back out of Dili, if you've got your own transport or you're up for an adventure on a regional bus, Progetto Montana in Aileo never ever disappoints me. They've got a fantastic wide range of really high quality art and crafts. Some of my favorites are their painted paper mache. Note, if you're visiting Timor, you can easily stop off at Projecta Montana as part of an overnight trip to climb Mount Ramalau, which is Timor's highest peak and also one of its best-known tourist attractions. Back in Dili, a few final mentions. If you're looking for a painting or something extra special, you've got the exhibition space at Artimoris, or the Gembel Art Collective, which is along the waterfront between Lida and Dili Mart supermarkets. Also last, but possibly one of the best known places to buy gifts in Dili, is Things and Stories, located inside Hotel Timor. They've got a whole curated collection of things from many of the makers I've talked about in this video. Wow, that's my list for now. If you want to find out more about Dili and Timor Leste, hit the subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to the Travel Inspired YouTube channel. Se itabot mos halo arte iha Timor Leste, mai be haula quelia konaba itabot nia servisu, desculpa, ne de tambahau si dau kare itabot nia sasan. Favorita, tau itabot nia detailio iha parte comments iha krek, and taun emaselok bele hetan itabot mos. Abrigada Barak, no ban natal, no tinan fon diatlos.